Laughing our way to the bank. With the banks, those haters that's not in our ranks. Send him on strength, follow God and follow our saint. Learn his word and follow his ways. Father me and wife be pulling our weight. Off your grace, yeah, off your grace. Cause we working indiscriminate.
Me and the hubby Terry are just out here relaxing, enjoying ourselves. Like I said, on this beautiful morning, it's not raining anymore. The sun got sunny. Out here fishing, enjoying the wildlife and the water, seeing what all we can catch. So as the day go along, we'll add you in and keep you updated on what we're doing and see what we've caught. And
we already caught three catfish in the Corona bucket over here.
So we have 3 catfish so far already, and we're just pretty much getting started. So I'll check back in with you guys shortly to let you see the progress.
Get him.
This fish talking. That thing said, help me. He says, it sounds like he's saying, please help me.
Yeah, get this hook out my mouth. That's probably is what he's saying.
Can you do this?
You want to fish, you gonna fish.
This will scare me.
Stronger than a fish.
It's stuck.
Pull it out.
So you guys, this comes to the close of our Memorial Day. We went out and we actually caught some fish. We ended up with 7. Now we're back home to where now we need to clean them, gut them, and freeze them. Like,
I'm not doing none of that.
you guys can like, comment, share. Please subscribe. We're on the road to 1,000 subscribers. We're trying to get there slowly but surely.
So we need y'all's help. Hit that red button and turn on your post notifications. Let's go.
Peace. Have a good
Laughing
day.
our way to the bank with the banks. Those haters that's not in our ranks. Send them on strength. Follow God and follow our saint. Learn His word and follow His mace. Father, me and wifey pulling on weight. Offer your grace, yeah, offer your grace. Cause we working indiscriminate. Cause this black love is infinite. Let me dry, you put the ninja in it. Let me dry, you put the ninja in it. Whoa, laughing our way to the bank. Only one man is getting all thanks. Only one man can dry away the rain.